Oh, Vancouver. Why are you raining on the last day? Guys, because it is raining here in Vancouver, we're going to show you some like rainy day activities. Now the funny thing is, we're up in Kitimat. The guy who hosted us for Christmas and New Year's called Leonard.
Come in close. Nice and close, Steve.
Going on about this 5-pin bowling, and we kind of didn't take you seriously, Leonard. I'm sorry we didn't, because now we're here in Vancouver doing some of this Canadian 5-pin bowling with the oldest like bowling alley here in Vancouver, and I need to show you something. Look how small the balls are. It's actually quite heavy.
So weird. Are you ready?
Yeah, go. Do we need to get some bumpers up for you?
It's super hard.
Like no.
Yeah, there's no holes in the balls.
All right.
This is like throwing a big orange.
Got my Canadian toque on. Gonna do some bowling.
Oh, what? Oh.
Does that mean I'm winning?
Yeah! We did 2017.
I think we have a super dodgy lane because it's been Josh's turn for like the last couple of balls.
And I'm not getting any points.
He's getting his money's worth.
No, when he hasn't had a point.
And look, it's meant to be 5-pin bowling, but currently there's only 4 bowls up there. As you saw with that one, there was a good 8 pins up there. Had to reset the system. In the end, Josh won, Jess came second, I came third, and Ash came last. Thank you, bye.
Thank you.
That was so much fun, guys.
Yeah, because I beat you.
Now, I bet you'd be saying something else if I won. I was winning until we thought it was only 5 games.
No.
We found out it's 10. Alright, we need to find another indoor activity. Okay, we found another solution for us. We've come to a pizzeria. It's not just any pizzeria. Hold your socks for this. So we've come out to a board game cafe here in Vancouver. This is so cool because if you have a look just behind me, there is this insane wall of just about every single board game that you can imagine that is here. They have like multiple editions as well. So if you want to play Settlers of Catan with all the expansion packs, they got it here. Oh wow, they have literally every version of Ticket to Ride, which is currently our favorite board game. They got India, they got the Nordic countries. I think that could be the standard edition, Europe edition, Germany edition. This is cool.
But Steve will probably want his own pizza.
Yes,
Oh, it's a Europe edition.
yeah, they had like 5 different
Oh, that's
editions.
fun. Yeah, let's do that.
We've ordered some pizza. Me and Jess are...
Ticket to Ride.
Yeah, we're obsessed with Ticket to
We
Ride.
played with Becky Ball. It was so fun.
So we got like the Europe edition.
Yeah, so we played with Fortitude. So you guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh my
I
god.
played this one time.
I remember it all.
Oh, we played it one time as well, so
really?
it's fine. Alrighty, you guys won
Bowling.
bowling.
So hopefully one of us wins
Ticket to Ride. Pizza has arrived, gone from Mediterranean. Jess is going, you're sticking to the soup. I'm proud of you. But the game is currently in full swing at the moment.
It's such a fun game, like, because I'm just tense the whole time. I'm like, thank you.
Thank you so much. Cheers.
Steven is inexplicably winning already.
Oh, no. Jess is doing good.
Yeah, but look at that.
Yeah, technically,
Oh, yeah.
right now.
Yeah, don't try to sell yourself short.
Guys, Josh won. Winner by a lot. 116, and I came in at second at what, 896?
You won by a
96.
long.
Wow.
Then Ash, and then Josh.
Don't even show us.
Beginner's luck.
That was so much fun, you guys. Need to
really
come
wanna
check
buy
out this
this game
cafe.
for home.
Yeah, I do. We need to find it. Where can you get board games? Like Target or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But do they have that in Canada?
I don't know.
No idea. Guys, it's our very last night in Canada. Tomorrow we fly home to Australia. So we thought on our last night we were doing a little cheeky meetup, and Christmas is still alive. We've come to this cute cafe. We still have Christmas trees up. Very happy about it, even though it's the 5th of January.
Also, because Josh and Ash have a YouTube channel as well, we thought we'd do like a kind of combined Flying the Nest / Way Away meetup. So they've invited some of their kind of friends and viewers down as well. So
And then we're just going to see if anyone comes.
yay! Some people came down to the meetup. It was so nice to meet you guys. Hello. You look familiar. Thanks, Peter. It was so nice to meet you. Thanks for coming, guys. It was such a success meeting all of you. You had such amazing stories to tell us. Thank you so much for coming out. Really appreciate it. And also, I'm happy that this New Year's resolution is off to a good start because we have now pretty much had 2 meetups in 1 month.
Yeah.
Which is better because last time was 2 meetups in 1 year. Or in 1 year.
And we love being able to meet the people, you know, that we connect with every day online.
And now
you
we
know?
can like see a name to just a username.
Yeah, but we
if you
have
know
a
what I mean.
face to a name.
Yeah,
which
but
is awesome.
I just realized that this is the last bed we're having for the next like 3 days. Well, not really 3 days, but on the calendar, like 2 days. Because we are flying home tomorrow. We have a 24-hour flight. We leave on the 6th and we pretty much arrive on the 8th with the time difference. So we never see the 7th of January 2018.
Yeah, so weird.
Also, we started Black Mirror.
It's
up to
so
episode
good.
3, season 1. It's so good if you haven't watched it.
Everyone kept talking about it, so we were like, we need to check it out, and we're hooked.
It's good.
Anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow at the airport for a
At
really long
Timmy's.
flight
Yeah.
at Tim Hortons. Let's do it.
Bye, guys. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the last day of Vancouver, the last day of this insane, like, 6-month trip, pretty much, and the last day with Josh and Ashley. It's kind of like the Last Supper.
But not forever.
Not forever, no, we'll have to catch up again. But shall we do the last kind of cheers?
With our waters.
Oh yeah, I've gone for coffee. We have to say goodbye to Josh and Ashley. Make sure you go and check out their YouTube channel, link below, and then you can see a different perspective of this Vancouver trip. And they're telling us about some exciting plans they're going to do this year, so you can also stay tuned for that. But I won't spoil anything. But thanks so much for the hangs, guys.
Yeah, thank
Really
you so
appreciate
much.
it. And
It was
thanks for bringing this thing. That helps so much.
A rental car, they come in handy.
Alrighty, we will make sure we see you guys around somewhere.
Yeah. Hey, guys,
Bye.
Thank you so much for inviting us.
Okay, let's do this. It's currently 5 or 6 degrees right at the moment. First international flight of the year. When you see your flight, it's a long day today. It's a sad day. It's the last Timmy's. Guys, we're just about to check in.
We need Canada merch.
We need some Canada merch. Let's get some. I'm gonna love this. Oh, it's so nice and warm. Thank you.
Been to Canada, bought the shirt?
Yep.
Yeah, halfway to the side. Thanks, guys.
Cheers. G'day, how you going? Alrighty guys, the 24-hour flight begins, even though it has already been like 7 hours waiting at the airport, but we're coming home, Australia. We'll see you in 15 hours time, Sydney. Welcome home, everybody. Welcome to Sydney. It's Monday morning at like 6 a.m. and we left Saturday evening.
We literally never had a Sunday. It's so weird.
just lost it
It's like 2 days in
in the air.
air, yeah.
But as always, Qantas is always amazing to fly.
We literally slept the whole time. It feels like we were on the plane for 2 hours, but it was 15.
Yeah.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Qantas flight 581 to Port Rochester, ready for scanning out today. Thank you.
Thank you.
You got upgraded.
Oh, amazing. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Was not expecting this. Was not honestly expecting this at all. Thank you so much, Qantas. This is going to be the best 5 hours. Thank you, thank you. But I thought I'd give you guys a very quick tour of our business class seat we have here. First dish, a yummy carrot soup, sparkling wine with my own top up, and a little side salad. For main course we have a beautiful looking white fish with a shallot sauce, ooh, and some veggies. Something about having silver cutlery that makes the whole experience excellent. Trifle for dessert? Was not expecting that. Hey! So good. Alrighty guys, see you in Perth.
Very warm welcome to Perth. Local time here is just coming up to 12:55. Please do remain seated until the captain switches off the seatbelt sign. If your mobile phone is within your reach, you can now switch off the flight mode.
Thanks, mate. We're home. We're home. We're home. We're home. We're home. Hello. Miss you. Oh, thank you. It's very heavy. Good luck. This is what we've been traveling around with.
Yay! That felt like a long one. Oh yeah.
Guys, after waiting in the airport, all those flights and layovers, I think that is 31 hours worth of travel. Completely missed Sunday. We'll never see that again. But man, it is hot. Whew! It is like 32 degrees in Australia, but it feels so good to be home. Thank you, Qantas, for that little upgrade at the end. That is just the icing on top of an incredible 3-month trip, having that to end it all. Oh, the one thing hidden away. Our wedding rings. I don't know why we thought we couldn't wear them to South America, but I'm excited to put these back on.
A little boxes on the hillside, a little boxes, little ticky-tacky, little boxes.